Clearing your search history on Google Wallet can help maintain your privacy and improve your user experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account you want to manage. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the app. From the menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Find search history. Scroll through the settings options until you find search history or a similar option related to your activity. This section will display your recent searches. Step 4. Clear search history. Once you are in the search history section, look for an option to clear history or delete all. Confirm your choice when prompted to remove all your previous searches. Step 5. Verify deletion. After clearing your search history, navigate back to the search history section to ensure that all entries have been successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history in Google Wallet. Regularly updating your privacy settings can enhance your overall experience.